in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a fake background with InShot app, and I'm also going to be showing you how to remove the watermark. So everything is totally free. You don't need to pay anything, you don't need to make any payment. Now before we comment this tutorial, there's some things you need to know about creating a fake background. First of all, you need to film with a plain wall, or you use a plain cloth. Now if you want to use a plain cloth, you have to make sure that that cloth is smooth and it is without wrinkles, else it's going to cause glitches in your video. Another thing you need to consider when recording your video is you have to use a tripod when recording your video so that you can maintain consistency in your video, because if you don't use a tripod, the cutout might not be clean, so you have to use a tripod. Another thing you need to consider is your lighting. Lighting is very important. If you don't have proper lighting, the app will find it difficult to differentiate between you and the background, so you have to have proper lighting. Now another thing you need to consider is your clothing. You need to wear cloth that contrasts with your background, video background. If you don't wear cloth that contrasts with your video background, the app might actually think that your cloth is actually the background and it might cut out you and the background together. So you have to wear cloth that contrasts with the video background so that the app will be able to know that, okay, this is you and this is the background. Please, before we comment this tutorial, please, I want you to help me like this video and subscribe to this channel. If you like this video, it will help the algorithm to be able to push it to more people. So please help me to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Now let's move on. Now in this tutorial, we are going to be using two apps. The first app is Leonardo.ai and the second one is InShot. Now the first thing we need to get in this our tutorial is our still image. That is the image we want to use as our fake background. Now we are going to get that image from Leonardo.ai. Leonardo.ai is an artificial intelligence app that allows you to be able to create any 4K or HD image that you desire. And if you are using an iPhone, you can get Leonardo.ai from Apple Store. But if you are using an Android phone, Leonardo.ai is not available on Play Store. So you can head straight to your browser, preferably Google Chrome, and type in Leonardo.ai login. Click on it. You can either use your Apple account or Google account or Microsoft account, but the fastest way to create an account with Leonardo.ai is through Google. Now when you click on Google, it will automatically create an account for you with your email account. Now you can come here and choose whatever username you like, type it in and check if it is available. Now you'll be asked to select your interest. For me, I'll be going for stock images and I will press next. Now you'll be asked what role best describe you. There are different options here, but for me, I'll be clicking on exploring AI for personal use. Now by default, you have 150 credits, and to generate an image you need about 24 credits. Now this 150 credits will be restored every 24 hours, but if you want more credits, you can sign up for their pro version. Now to generate an image, you click on image creation. Now I will paste this description of the kind of image I want Leonardo.ai to create for me, and I will click on generate. Leonardo.ai will generate 4 images for one picture description so that I can pick my choice. So I'm going to pick any one here. I will go for this. Now to save this image to my device, I will tap on it and click on download here. Then the picture will be downloaded to my device. Now let's open our second app, which is InShot. First, I will click on the image icon here and import the image we got from Leonardo.ai. Now we are going to move over to canvas and we will change the aspect ratio to 16.9 because 16.9 is the standard size for YouTube videos. You can see that the picture is smaller than the canvas, so we are going to scale the image to fill in the entire canvas. And I will click on effect and look for blur. Now I'm going to blur this background. You can adjust it as you like. Then come here and save it. Now let's click on the video icon. To create a new project, I will click on new. It will take me to my gallery so that I can import the video I intend to change the background. And I will look for cutout and click on it. Now you have to give it time to finish the cutout. Now you can see the InShot watermark. When we are done, I will show you how to remove it. Now let's click on canvas. Click on background. Then click this picture icon. Import the blurred image. Then adjust yourself to your preference. Now you can come over to filter and look for the particular filter that will help you blend your background with your video. I can't choose any particular filter for you. It depends on the particular background color that you are using that will determine what kind of filter you will use. So personally, I don't like adding filters. I just play around, adjust here and blend it to my preference. And sometimes you don't even need any sort of blending. Now let me remove this watermark. Please, before we remove the watermark, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Please, I am begging you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Please, 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 please. I'm waiting. 2 seconds. Thank you. Okay, now let's move on. Now to remove watermark is very easy. All you just need to do is to click on the watermark. There are 2 options here. You can either sign up for their pro version or watch their ads for about 30 seconds. Now I will click on free remove. I will watch their ads for about 30 seconds. You will see the ads playing now. So after the ads finish playing for about 30 seconds, the watermark will be removed. You can see the watermark has removed now. Now please help me as I've helped you. Like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thank you. I'm going to see you in another video.